Burned out? Overworked? AI might be your answer. Be honest. How often do you feel overwhelmed? Meetings, emails, deadlines, and somewhere in there you're supposed to live your life? What if you could use AI to bring your stress down and your productivity up? Stay till the end. We'll reveal a secret tool top executives are using to reclaim their balance. The modern hustle, always on, always behind. Our world moves fast. You're expected to perform, respond instantly, and never miss a beat. But this constant hustle leads to burnout, poor focus, lack of motivation, declining mental health. And worst of all, it doesn't actually make you more productive. So, what if we worked smarter, not longer? That's where AI steps in. AI isn't just smart, it's supportive. AI doesn't just answer questions. It can block distractions, help you focus, track your energy, plan your breaks, even coach you through stress. Think of AI as your invisible assistant, always working behind the scenes to protect your time and energy. Let's start with structure. Tools like Reclaim.ai automatically build your schedule around your priorities. It protects time for deep work, breaks, even self-care, automatically. Want to focus 2 hours on a big project? Reclaim blocks your calendar, no need to explain. Other tools like Motion or Clockwise help you. Schedule meetings at the least disruptive time. Avoid back-to-back fatigue. Stay flexible without losing control. Because balance begins with boundaries. Let's face it, staying focused is tough. That's where tools like Brain.fm use AI-generated music to stimulate focus. Serene creates deep work sessions with built-in timers, checklists, and blockers. Kite AI quietly assists coders by suggesting smarter completions. No need to switch tabs. These tools don't just support focus, they engineer it. And the best part? They train your brain to work better over time. Ever pick up your phone and forget why? AI tools like Opal blocks apps based on your habits and location. Freedom syncs across all devices to block distracting websites. Stay Focused ED limits time on social media automatically. These aren't just timers, they're smart shields for your attention span. They make distractions harder to reach so you can stay in control. Time management is old. Try energy management. AI can track more than your schedule. It can track how you see or feel. Apps like Aura Ring and Whoop use AI to analyze sleep and recovery. Reclaim.ai learns your productivity patterns and schedules around your energy. Clockwise adjusts your calendar when it sees your energy dropping. It's not about doing more. It's about doing the right things when you're at your best. Micro breaks, macro results. Taking breaks isn't laziness, it's science. Apps like Calm gives you AI-generated breathwork sessions. Headspace now includes focus coaching and mindfulness driven by user behavior. Balance app offers customized daily meditations based on how you feel. AI knows when you need a pause and how long it should last. Taking 5 minutes with the right tool can recharge your entire afternoon. Move more, stress less. Movement fuels your brain. AI-powered apps like Fitbod generates workouts based on your fatigue, schedule, and equipment. Adaptive Coach adjusts your workout plan based on how you slept and how you feel. Future combines AI scheduling with a real human coach. They don't push you too hard, they guide you based on how you feel. Your mind works better when your body moves. Mental clarity starts on paper. Writing helps you process stress. Tools like Reclaim.ai, Prompted Journal. I use AI to ask questions, track patterns, and surface what's on your mind. Even just 5 minutes a day improves clarity, emotional awareness, and decision-making. And yes, there's science behind it. Let's hear from real people using these tools. James, a remote worker, uses Reclaim plus Serene to stay focused until 3 p.m., then logs off stress-free. Amina, a startup founder, starts each day with Brain.fm plus Reflectly journaling, calls it her mental reset. Carlos, a project manager, uses Opal plus Headspace and says his anxiety has dropped by 40%. You don't have to be techie, you just have to start. Don't expect perfection. Aim for support. AI won't magically fix your life, but it will. Remove barriers. Protect your focus. Encourage healthy habits. Support your mental health. It's not about replacing you. It's about supporting you. Time to reclaim your time. Work-life balance isn't a luxury, it's survival. And now, AI can help you get it back. So, what tool are you most excited to try? Comment below, and if you found this helpful, subscribe. Don't just survive your workday, reclaim it with AI.